Welcome to the HFM.Parts channel. I'm Mike Anthony, and today we'll be installing the HFM 337mm rear rotor kit on a Nissan R32. The first thing we need to do is remove the OEM caliper. Once removed, you can rest it on the upper control arm. Remove the rubber grommet so you can back off that handbrake adjuster. This will allow the rotor to be removed smoothly. To clean the hub face, we've used a wire brush and some sandpaper, and then sprayed it down with the brake cleaner to remove any residue. Make sure you clean the hub really well to avoid rotor runout. Grab some anti-seize lube and apply it around the hub. This will make it easier to remove the rotor in the future. On this car, we need to cut the backing plate to make some room for the larger HFM rotors. Using a nibbler or similar tool, cut around this edge as shown. The nibbler is a great, easy to use tool and leaves a nice clean edge. If you find the edges are sharp, you can smooth them out using a flapper disc. Now, we need to install the custom HFM adapters. Apply thread sealant to the adapter bolts and then locate the adapter to the inside of the knuckle. Use the cap head bolts to hold it in place and then torque the bolts. Unpack the new HFM rotor and clean off the lubricant. Locate the rotor to the hub face and secure it with the lug nut or two. Then, reinstall your caliper using the hex bolts found in the adapter kit. Torque the bolts and you're done. Remember to follow us on social media for all updates. And if you have any questions, don't forget to reach out.